Scenario: a New York notary public is asked to notarize a document related to the opening of a safe deposit box in a local bank after the lease was terminated for non-payment. What is the notary's main duty during this process? To answer this question, let's have a look at Section 335 of the Notary Public License Law booklet entitled Banking Law, and it states that if the rental fee of any safe deposit box is not paid or after the termination of the lease for such box, and at least 30 days after giving proper notice to the lessee, the lessor bank may, in the presence of a notary public, open the safe deposit box, remove and inventory the contents. The notary public shall then file with the lessor a certificate under seal which states the date of the opening of the safe deposit box, the name of the lessee, and a list of the contents. So with this in mind, let's have a look at our four choices to determine our solution. Choice A states, ensure that the lessee is notified of the intent to open the safe deposit box at least 30 days in advance. Now this is a bit tricky because, as we read from before, it does state that 30 days proper notice must be given, but it's actually the bank that's giving the proper notice, not the notary public, and therefore choice A is not the correct solution. Choice B states, inventory the contents of the box and submit the list to the lessee. Once again, while there is an inventory of the contents of the box, that's actually done by the bank and not the notary public. It's done in front of the notary public, and therefore choice B is not the correct solution. Choice C states, file a certificate under seal with the bank listing the contents of the box. Now this indeed is what we read from before. Indeed, the certificate is filed by the notary public, which includes a list of the contents of the box. But before we mark this as the correct solution, let's have a look at choice D just to be certain. Choice D states, collect a notarial fee based on the total value of the box's contents. This is not correct. The notary's fees are actually mandated by law and have no relation to the value of the box's contents, and therefore choice D is not the correct solution, which indeed leaves choice C, file a certificate under seal with the bank listing the contents of the box, as the correct solution.